Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Lock Junkie here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today, the lock I have in front of me was sent to me as a gift from my good buddy, Southpaw Pete. So Southpaw, I'm gonna SPP this for you, my man. Top of keyway, 50 thou, my special hook from Revlon. Let's get it. Wait for it. Ka-cha! Slade. Thank you very much, Brother Pete. I really appreciate that. It's a fun pick. You definitely got to approach it certainly delicately. The cores on this are so soft. If you apply too much tension, you'll actually ruin the core and you won't be able to pick it. Yes, I have heard of a lot of people ruining picks over this lock, so you guys got to be very careful with it. Once again, Pete, thank you so much for sending me that. It was a fun pick, and everybody that's watching, do me a favor, like, subscribe, and share, and I'll catch you later, guys. Thank you so much.